While water won't cure your chronic cough, it can make a significant difference. When you're dehydrated, your airways become dry and can easily be irritated, increasing your coughing. By being mindful of your water intake, you can effectively soothe your airways and reduce that persistent cough. Hydration prevents dryness, providing much needed relief. Many chronic coughers sip water to interrupt coughing that's about to happen. So grab a glass of water. It can really help.